Oh gosh, it's not a good hair day. Not a good day to film a tutorial. I don't even know why I'm concerned. I'm pretty sure there's no one watching because of my looks. Hey, what's up guys? It's DK here for OPC, and one thing you might not know about me is that I love playing tennis. But unfortunately, playing tennis does come with some drawbacks. I suffered a tremendous injury this week. That's why I'm wearing this bandage. Actually, I just had a small blister on my ring finger. If you're a magician, you know that having a bandage on your finger can be quite annoying when you're trying to practice certain sleight of hand moves. And I thought, what could I teach that's easy enough and simple enough to do even while I'm wearing a bandage, or even if I was wearing bandages on all of my fingers. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a cool 2-card color change that you can do today. It's so easy, you only need a couple materials, and it's going to blow people away. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So in order to perform this very easy color change, you're just going to need a few things. The first is a double facer. Now, peelers don't come with a double facer, but I've crafted my own by taking a piece of double stick tape and just placing it in between these two cards back to back. In this case, I've used the Ace of Clubs and the Jack of Hearts. So once you have your double facer, you're going to need to find the pairs to the cards that you have on your double facer. So the pair to the Jack of Hearts is the Jack of Diamonds. Pair to the Ace of Clubs is the Ace of Spades. And you're going to take one of these regular cards and make a slight modification to it. In this case, I've used the Jack of Diamonds, and I've placed a small piece of double stick tape right in the center of the card. Now, a couple tips when using double stick tape. The first thing that I like to do is I like to just trim off those perforated edges using a pair of scissors. You'll notice that when you peel the tape off the roll and use the blade to cut it, it leaves those perforations on either end, and it just looks much cleaner if you trim those off into straight lines, much easier to hide on a playing card. The other thing I like to do is just take my finger and kind of stick and unstick it to the double stick tape. This removes some of the sheen, some of the stickiness on the tape, and it makes it easier to attach and harder to see to the spectator. Finally, last tip, the reason that I put it on the Jack of Diamonds rather than the Ace of Spades in this case is because I think that the design just hides the double stick tape a lot better, both on camera and in person. So, once you've done this, you're ready to get into performing. When you're ready to perform the change, you'll want the cards in this order. On the face of the pack, you're going to want your card with the double stick tape in the center. Just below that, you're going to want to have your double facer with the pair to the top card facing up, so Jack of Diamonds, Jack of Hearts, and then of course your odd card out on the bottom of the pack, in this case, the Ace of Spades. And performing the change is incredibly simple. All I do is I take this top card, show the backs and the fronts, turn it over, and press down in the center with my thumb. And once I've done this, the double stick tape sticks to the double facer, and I can rub like this and show that the cards have now changed and show front and back cleanly. Now there are a couple different ways to handle the change. That's probably the easiest one. Another one that you might like to do is to hold the cards in biddle grip, peel off the top card, then show the fronts and backs this way, place this card down, readjust, turn over the entire packet, press in the center, and then rub the cards together like this. This is a very simple change, very easy to do, and I think that there are a lot of applications for this. For example, I've done things where I have a routine with 2 blank cards, then force 2 cards on the spectator, and then change the 2 blank cards in this way into the spectator selections. There's just a lot of ways that you can use this change in routines or just as a standalone effect, and I think it looks great on social media and great in person. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and make sure to tag us in your performances. So that was the tutorial for the color change. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below, and you might as well subscribe to the channel while you're here. We're going to be putting out more tutorials in the future. If you want to find us on Instagram, you can do that at organic_playing_cards, and you can find me at DK Magician. I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial, but for now, my name's DK Magician. Peace out.